Okay, we started talking about identities earlier, and now we're going to learn another set of identities for the trig functions. So these tell us which trig functions are even and which ones are odd. Okay, so cosine and secant are even functions, meaning cosine of a negative angle is the same as cosine of that angle. And secant of a negative angle is the same as secant of an angle. Now sine, cosecant, tangent, and cotangent are all odd, meaning sine of negative an angle is equal to -1 times sine of that angle. Okay, so here's how we can use this, and I've pulled up a copy of our formula sheet so we can use that as well. Cosine of -π/6, since cosine is an even function, is equal to cosine of π/6. So we can use the unit circle. Here's π/6. Remember, cosine is the x value. So I know that's small, but that's square root of 3/2. Okay, sine of -π/4. This unit circle is actually missing π/4. But this would be equal to -1 times sine of π/4, and sine of π/4 is the square root of 2/2. Okay, cotangent of -3π/4 would be equal to negative cotangent of 3π/4. Okay, and cotangent of 3π/4 is 1, so this would be -1. And secant of 5π/6, and secant is an even, this would just be equal to secant, of 5π/6. So secant is 1 over the x value, so we'd go to 5π/6, so it would be 1 over square root of 3/2, which would really just mean flipping this 2 over the square root of 3, which we would rationalize, so we'd have 2 square root of 3/3.